Hi, welcome to Market Alert for Thursday, the 30th of August 2018. So yesterday we see the pound soar against the euro after crucial Brexit breakthrough, and this is how it looks on the price chart. This is the daily chart. We had the sideways move here. Everything was set to move to the downside, but as I said before, any Brexit news is going to affect the pound, and this was obviously positive. And this saw the market trade straight up to the 50 bar moving average. If we look in more detail, we see had a signal. The market was already long, but not really going anywhere, trading to the 129, which had been a resistance level the previous day. Prices returning to the short side there, and then you can see the announcement as the market moves up around 60 to 70 pips by the looks of things there. Let's just have a quick calculation. It's actually 100 points, so 100 pips there. And then we met with some selling pressure. You can see this here at the R3. When the market gets to the R3, the market will stop 100% of the time of its major move. Doesn't mean to say it reverse, but trade sideways to higher. And there you can see the sideways pattern that actually follows. So a great place to collect profits if the market goes above the DP to the R3 in any market. So keep an eye on that one. At the moment the market's sitting at yesterday's high. You see that there, 130.33 is the high, although we're just through there. As you can see, but met with selling on both occasions, the market turning around and coming back. Now it's going to need more news like this, the positive news, to hold this market to the upside. If not, we're going to return back down to the 129 level, so keep this in mind also. News today. Seems to be a lot of news, but all medium impact news, so there's no point in dwelling on this because it isn't going to make any difference to this market. Meanwhile, in the Dow, not making any great shakes at the moment. Yesterday the market up, trading back to the 26,149, just above it, but failing to close through it. It's looking rather weakish at the moment. The market's been marked up on absolutely nothing. Monday we'll see the US markets closed in observation of the Labor Day celebrations, last one before Christmas. So not a lot to report here, just sideways for the last 3 days, as you can see there. Again, looking in more detail what was going on inside of yesterday. Market had a run to the upside, sideways, and then eventually broke through the averages there. Traded up to the DP, up to the R1. 80% of the time the market will stop at this level, and you see the selling coming in there. You'll also see, you should be getting used to this now, from here to here you've got a 76% retracement where the market stops there before prices trade sideways and move lower, and have been stuck in a sideways range until around 3 a.m. where a bit of selling in the Far East has weighed down on this market. Prices coming through the 200 bar moving average there as well, and also below the 26,100 level, and just moving sideways to lower there. And finally, in Bitcoin, the resistance at 7,144 is still playing here. You can see prices down yesterday and down on the overnight as well. I still think we've got some downside potential. This area is crucial, as we spoke about yesterday, that we need to hold at this level if prices do fall, and then get the next move up. If not, if we may have a situation where we're doing this and then down to the downside, but only time will reveal which one is to be the case. But these two areas here are crucial, so keep an eye on these as the market plays out. Right, that's about it for a quick roundup of the markets for yesterday, seeing what news we get regarding Brexit today, see what effect that has on the pound. The Dow heading into the weekend for the Labour Day celebrations, and Bitcoin showing a bit of weakness there for the last couple of days as the market hits that manipulated high that we saw at 7,144. Okay, that'll do it for this one. If there's anything to report, I will let you know. Other than that, as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.